So what? Does that count as my level?
What?
Does that count as my turn?
You wanna be a bitch?
No. Here we go.
Okay, asshole 1, me 0.
That's right.
Hippies. Hippies that shoot little men out of guns. Did the black ones, like, sound different than the red ones?
They just blow up.
I guess they don't really talk, do they? Not much dialogue being,
Oh!
Oops. Oopsie days.
Pretty sure you can make that, but I just...
No, well, maybe from that one, but I mean, I know you can from this one. Obviously. I believe that there's a certain point in the cloud that I was aiming for.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, fuck. I overshot it.
way to go, fucker. That's a lot of force being put on your neck.
Do you think he knows that I'm there?
I don't know. Push his ass off.
Say goodnight, bitch.
You know, it's plausible that he had a wife and children. I mean, do bob-ombs procreate?
Mario doesn't care.
That's... I'm still a little pissed about earlier. How...
I was totally right.
There's an instance in some form of 64-bit game that that happens. Somebody calls you out on your bullshit.
Swag.
I know. I am not wrong in this. There is a game I'm thinking of. Somebody tell me, please. I'm desperate. I was. Oh, looks like I got 3 stars. Wait, we were supposed to end this episode, like.
We'll just. I don't know. What do you think? Hi, welcome back. Episode 2 of Mario. We're still playing this shit.
Which one should I go for? The what's in here?
That's the snowman land.
I can either do the snow one or the ship, I believe.
The battleship or the sunken ship one always creeped me out as a kid. I don't know why.
Oops. Well, the squid that's in the, or not the squid, but the eel that's just waiting in the ship. Always pissed me off because like I'd go down there and wait forever, and like the squid would take forever, or the eel would take forever to appear. And this is a little. Wait, which one is this? What's the goal? Just to reach the end, or is it the penguin one?
Go in the hole, in the thing.
I've got business to attend to first.
Oh fuck.
No, this is. Hold on. Hold on.
The classic switcheroo. Oops! Looks like that bit you in the ass.
Oh well. I'm gonna go back there and fuck that penguin's day up.
Where is he?
Back up there, I guess. Get up there, you. I'm going to find a place to dispose of this little bastard. No! You're mine! What am I doing with life?
Being incredible at this game.
Oh, get off there, fucker. Get.
Try jumping. Oh, there you go. Rest in peace. 1 like equals 1 prayer.
What?
1 comment equals 1 respect. No, I'm kidding there. We're not.
Well, you keep. People are gonna think.
We're not like that. We're not.
Come on. Oh, your screen's wigging out. Come on, Mario. You can do this. Hold on.
You know the shortcut, right?
This is a shortcut.
Boom, baby.
Shit! I missed it. Fuck! I missed it again.
Oh!
It's like the slides at the Kitty Land places.
Yeah, baby.
Gonna get the gold star. Gonna get the gold star. It could have been bad for Mario. Oh, what if I did do that? It's like pick a nosedive off.
It's happened to me before.
Trying to show off.
Yeah.
Are we gonna play this game all the way through? Like seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Obviously,
I guess I should.
it's going to take a long time.
I guess I
but
should leave this like the copy of this game at your house.
If you want.
Oh yeah, where's the secret way to get down there? Just take it and the.
One of these numbers, baby.
You know?
The oldest trick in the book. Oh shit! I fucked that one up.
I'm pretty sure dying is an old trick.
Alright, let's try that again, ladies and gentlemen. Just like you said, trying to show off. Get my ass wrecked.
Oh man. See we. Oh, oh god. Oh, this is. I enjoy watching you play. I really do.
Can you warp with a penguin?
Yeah, you can. You had him.
No.
You had him.
You can't.
Oh, that's what you didn't warp. You plunged to your death.
I just gotta be more careful here. What's in here? Oh baby.
Ah! Ah!
Oh, these 1-ups are so hard to get.
Ah! Ah!
It's almost not worth it.
Get it! Oh shit! Get it! Ah!
Little bastard.
Fuck! Oh,
Fucking
God.
cock tease mushroom.
Oh, he's gone. Oh god!
No! No!
Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god! Are you serious?
Wait. Come to Papa. Yeah. What?
Fucking Mario! Oh god! Oh, get him! Get him!
No!
Oh my god! Oh, get him! Okay, get that little. Get him! Oh, nab that bitch. Is it a girl or a boy? I don't know.
I don't know either, dude.
I think you just jump right down right here.
I know this is the real one. There's a fake one.
There's a fake one right next to it.
Oh!
Throw it. Can you throw?
No. Cash money.
You should bring it the fake one. See if it says anything. Oh god! Oh my god! I forgot you can do that. Bring it the fake one now. No, go back. I know where the fake one's at. Yeah.
I'm a terrible person.
Wait, did she say anything if she's already giving you the star?
No.
Yeah, like after you kill her baby, she's like, "That's not my baby. She's gone now."
Oh well. I don't think the developers fully thought that through.
What? Being able to pick it up
Yeah.
afterwards? Maybe they did.
Yeah, maybe.
It's just like, you know what'll make people love this game? Oh god, this is good. Ugh.